I'm not recording all neon work that I do because it takes more time and also time to edit, so we're looking at some photos of current work. This one just had a dead transformer and was really dirty, so I completely disassembled it to clean, and then the yellow was painted, so I had to take care not to clean the paint off. I got a broken little Route 66 Chinese sign from the 90s, but the root tube was still fine, and it's just a classic American theme, so I decided to save it. I made new patterns over an image from the internet to have the right shape and proportions. Here are the tubes running to dry the blockout paint. And I also put a new transformer and removed the dangerous original one. The other tubes in this picture go to the light Life is Good. It was cheap, so I tried shipping, and I was lucky. The red ribbon was already broken with the seller. I used a few thin sheets of wood to protect it from pushing in to the box, and that had worked. I made patterns from the old original tubes, and I changed painted red to clear red for these. I still owe you a photo of the working eagle tube that we bent in a recent video, and here's that. As I mentioned, I used traffic light yellow for the wings, a nice warm color, and I did the eagle head and that thing that he's carrying in warm white, while the old reserve tube is cold white. It was missing the transformer, and I gave it an old first generation electronic transformer from Technolux, the only electronic model I know that has screw terminals for the high voltage wires. I like the traffic light yellow so much that I made another spare part with it, and that's the border for this one. It used to be green before, and I didn't block out the back on the traffic light yellow, so the wall lights up in that color too. And it's too bad that this phosphor tends to fall off in tight bands, and then the color is going towards warm white, so you can't really bend tight beer sign text with it. And this one probably was the most work. 2 years ago I bought this classic red plastic guitar frame with all the tubes broken, and I made full retrofit tubes for it, the bow tie pattern from the frame, and drew all the other patterns on the computer. They made this with Budweiser and Bud beer text, and I made the easier one for me because that WEIS part is really difficult to bend. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.